Ready for an unforgettable adventure in NYC? Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, New York City has something magical to offer every couple. Discover the ultimate two-week guide to exploring NYC with your partner. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, this itinerary covers it all. Hey guys, if New York City's on your bucket list, we've got you covered. This guide ensures you experience the best of the Big Apple without breaking the bank. We've crafted an amazing two-week itinerary for couples. First up, accommodation. Finding the right place to stay is crucial for a comfortable trip. Stay in charming hotels or hostels in Queens or Brooklyn. These areas offer affordable options and easy access to Manhattan. Or choose a cozy Airbnb in a local neighborhood. This can give you a more authentic New York experience and often comes with unique perks. Transportation? Easy peasy. Navigating the city is a breeze with the right tools. Grab a 7-day unlimited Metro card and explore the city effortlessly. This card gives you unlimited rides on subways and buses, making it a cost-effective choice. And don't forget, NYC's best explored on foot or by city bike. Walking and biking allow you to see the city up close and personal. Now let's talk itinerary. From strolling through Central Park and crossing the Brooklyn Bridge, to visiting world-class museums like the Met and soaking up culture at MoMA, many iconic experiences await. Foodies, rejoice. NYC is a paradise for food lovers. NYC's street food and eateries offer delicious meals for every taste. From hot dogs and pretzels to gourmet pizza, there's something for everyone. Enjoy a variety of culinary delights throughout your stay. Don't miss out on the food markets and local eateries that offer affordable yet mouth-watering options. Plan your days with exciting activities and attractions, whether it's a Broadway show, a rooftop bar, or a hidden speakeasy. There's always something new to discover. So pack your bags and get ready to explore NYC with your loved one. This city promises an adventure of a lifetime. Happy travels.